Yeah, that's right, Stefan. He was very clear about that. The numbers don't look good, and they haven't been looking good for some time now. In a very serious and urgent tone, he says what the Commonwealth is facing right now, he's calling that uncharted territory.
Yesterday's COVID report was hard, and I'm going to admit up front today, a little emotional and a little raw.
With urgency and at times visible frustration and sadness, Governor Beshear continues to report worsening COVID-19 numbers throughout the Commonwealth.
Seeing nearly 5,000 cases and 65 Kentuckians that we lost in just one day's report is tough.
Record-breaking numbers continue to mount across the board with an infection rate of over 13%, the highest ever. COVID-19 hospitalization numbers also rising every day for 42 days, even breaking records for the last 5 days.
With all these numbers, we're not just critical, we are in uncharted territory. We've been fighting this virus for more than 18 months. We've never been where we are today.
The governor also highlighting the critical staff shortage facing the healthcare system as these numbers grow, saying hospitals are bursting at the seams. 1/3 of Kentucky hospitals are reporting staff shortages.
We're never in a position where doctors worry they need to choose between treating a patient who can't breathe because of COVID or treat a patient who's bleeding out because of a car accident. But that is the strain that our hospitals are under.
To alleviate the pressure, the Kentucky National Guard is now being deployed to support the COVID-19 response in hospitals until at least December 30th.
We will have a larger impact in schools, in universities, Department of Corrections. We have been notified and requested by hospitals throughout the state.
FEMA strike teams have also been approved for understaffed hospitals and EMS. Governor Beshear is also expressing frustration for a Kentucky Supreme Court decision made Saturday, stripping his emergency powers. He says without that, he could have done more to help the dire situation facing the Commonwealth now.
That would have been the trigger for me if it was in my authority to have put in a masking order for indoors across the state.
Now, this briefing also comes on Healthcare Heroes Week, and he played some videos from healthcare workers saying that they're tired. He says that the worst part about this surge, as opposed to last year, is that this time it's worse, but now we have the tools to fight it, saying it's vaccines and masks. Now, here locally, U of L Health tells me they have 143 patients in their hospitals. Norton Healthcare tells me they have 185. 14 of those are children. We're live in Frankfort tonight. Gladys Bautista, WOKY News.